Hi everyone, Aaron Singleton here, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about your oxygen uptake. As we know, if we don't have enough oxygen in the body, then the cells are not functioning properly, not getting enough oxygen, and we are tired. Now, many times this is just because we're not exercising. We're not keeping everything, revitalizing everything the way we can. And sometimes it's due to medical conditions that we really don't have much control over. So today, what I want to talk about is a catalyst to help you absorb more oxygen. Now, this is going to sound a little strange because the catalyst we're talking about here is not a supplement. The catalyst we're talking about is actually a shirt. Now, let me explain the way this works. This shirt is based on BioMorphic Geometry. It is the design on the front and back of the shirt that actually combines to stimulate the absorption of more oxygen into your body. All right? Now, I've actually had someone with COPD that tested in the doctor's office and their oxygen level was low. And they asked the doctor to, give them a few minutes. So literally they put the shirt on, got retested in about 20 minutes, and their blood oxygen level was 6 points higher. I have had many people say they've tried to sleep in the shirt and they couldn't because it was too energizing because they had too much oxygen. And then I've had others to say that they can't sleep without it because it gives them that extra oxygen they need. Because, we don't breathe as deeply. We don't take in as much oxygen when we are sleeping. All right, so it may benefit you in that way. Now, there are shirts out there that people say this is an energy healing t-shirt. And that's because it has Reiki symbols on it, or it has hands with some symbols. And those are symbolic. The difference is this is an energy producing shirt. Now, there's no Reiki or pranic healing or any energy of any kind embedded into the shirt. It's all done by the shapes and the numbers, biomorphic geometry. So what I'd like for you to do right now is to pay attention to your breathing. Take a couple of deep breaths. And how does that feel? All right, now I'm going to project the energy of this shirt. So as I project the energy of the shirt, just give it a minute. For some of you, a moment, you'll feel it immediately. All right, so as you are breathing, you may feel like you are getting more oxygen or taking a deeper breath. So when you're wearing the shirt, it is the symbols, it is the numbers that are producing the energy. It's the biomorphic geometry that is producing the energy to help your body absorb more oxygen into your cells. Now, I have several different energy healing t-shirts available. Just go on our site, thewaytobalance.com, and look for the shirts. See if there's something of interest to you. For you ladies, I also have tank tops, something for the summer, a little cooler. All right, so in this moment, just be in the experience. As I project the energy of the shirt, what do you notice? Does it feel like you're getting more oxygen into your lungs? Feel like your body got a little bit lighter because you have more oxygen? All right, that's my demo for now. I hope you like the BioMorphic Geometry Energy Healing Shirts. Hope you're breathing a little lighter. Thank you.